Delicious raspberry almond coffee cake recipe. Easy baking tutorial. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby, your go-to destination for mouthwatering recipes and baking inspiration. Today, we have a treat that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a delightful dessert. We're making a raspberry almond coffee cake that's bursting with flavor and incredibly easy to make. So, let's dive right into it. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 coffee lover. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon almond extract. 1/2 cup sour cream. 1/2 cup sliced almonds. 1½ cups fresh raspberries. Powdered sugar, for dusting. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch round cake pan or springform pan. You can also line the bottom with parchment paper for easy removal. Step 2. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set this dry mixture aside. Step 3. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2-3 minutes. Step 4. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the almond extract. Step 5. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture in thirds, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry mixture, and mix until just combined. Step 6. Gently fold in half of the sliced almonds. Step 7. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it out evenly. Step 8. Scatter the fresh raspberries evenly over the top of the batter. Feel free to press them in slightly. Step 9. Sprinkle the remaining sliced almonds on top. Step 10. Bake in the preheated oven for 35-40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, and the top is golden brown. Step 11. Once it's done, remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, our scrumptious raspberry almond coffee cake. Before serving, you can dust the top with powdered sugar for a lovely finish. This coffee cake is perfect with a cup of your favorite brew or a steaming hot coffee. Enjoy! Absolutely delicious. I hope you try out this raspberry almond coffee cake recipe and savor every bite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!
Celebrate love with our Valentine Heart Couple 2024. This adorable figurine features an orange, red, and white heart, symbolizing the vibrant bond between two souls. With their arms wrapped around each other, the middle man and woman perfectly capture the warmth and affection of a loving embrace. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this figurine is a perfect gift for your significant other on Valentine's Day or any special occasion. Let this heartwarming couple serve as a reminder of the love that brings us together.